Welcome to the channel dedicated to mastering AI tools and automation. Today, we're diving deep into the latest and most impactful updates from n8n. AI automation is evolving at warp speed, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. Imagine building workflows that are smarter, safer, and incredibly powerful. Well, stop imagining, because n8n has just released a suite of powerful new features that are truly game changers, transforming how workflows are built and managed. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to break down 4 major updates: human-in-the-loop automation, enhancements to the chat node, using AI agents as integrated tools, and the new data table node features. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to leverage these tools to build workflows that are more robust, reliable, and intelligent than ever before. Let's kick things off with Section 1. For those unfamiliar, what exactly is n8n and why has it exploded in popularity? Simply put, n8n is an open-source workflow automation platform. Think of it as the ultimate glue, connecting everything in your digital workspace. It allows you to connect over 400 different apps, APIs, and now seamlessly integrate advanced AI tools, all through a visual, node-based interface. You build by dragging and dropping. n8's appeal is universal. Developers love its customizability and extensibility. Creators use it to automate content pipelines, and business owners rely on it to streamline complex operations, saving time and money. For instance, you can automate social media posting across multiple platforms, sync data between CRM and ERP systems, or even automate complex data scraping and analysis. The possibilities are endless. Moving into Section 2, the rise of AI automation. It's impossible to talk about automation today without discussing artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just generating text. It's generating code, analyzing vast data sets, communicating naturally with users through chatbots, and triggering sophisticated actions within workflows. When you combine AI's decision-making and generative capabilities with n8n's robust automation platform, you create productivity systems that are truly powerful, automating not just tasks, but intelligent processes. Now let's jump into one of the most critical new features in Section 3, human-in-the-loop automation. This new feature is groundbreaking for safety. Human-in-the-loop allows an AI workflow to strategically pause at a specific node, waiting for a human operator's mandatory review and approval before proceeding. This simple addition drastically improves safety, accuracy, and overall reliability, especially when the AI is dealing with sensitive or high-impact actions. For example, if an AI is tasked with generating and sending an email to a key client, the workflow can pause. A human reviews the draft, makes any final edits, and only then approves the sending action, preventing costly mistakes. Next, let's explore Section 4, the significant improvements made to the n8n chat node, enhancing how workflows interact conversationally with users. The updates give users much finer-grained control over conversational flows. This means more effective multi-turn dialogues and better management of conversation history within the workflow. These enhancements allow you to integrate natural language inputs directly from users, whether through a custom interface or an existing chat app, seamlessly into complex, automated workflows, creating powerful user experiences. Welcome to the future of automation. We're diving into new features that supercharge your workflows using AI agents and powerful data management. Let's start by looking at advanced chat interactions, essential for creating dynamic, human-like automation. We have 2 core chat actions. Respond to chat sends an instant message back to the user, providing immediate feedback. The respond to chat and wait action is transformative. It allows the workflow to send a message and then pause, awaiting the user's explicit response before proceeding. This is crucial for collecting necessary input. Imagine an AI customer support assistant. It might use respond to chat to acknowledge a request, and then respond to chat and wait if it needs clarification, such as asking, "Are you inquiring about your order status or a return?" Now, let's explore AI agents. These are specialized AI components designed to act as intelligent tools within your automation workflows. AI agents execute defined, specialized tasks, bringing powerful intelligence to your automation. They can process data, generate content, or perform research on demand. Multiple specialized agents can collaborate within a single workflow. For example, a research agent gathers data, A content agent writes copy based on that data, and a data agent analyzes the results. This multi-agent approach allows you to automate highly complex, multi-step tasks much more efficiently than traditional linear workflows. Data management is crucial. Introducing a new feature in the data table node simplifies how you handle internal workflow data. Users can now create and delete tables directly within the data table node, managing data storage without leaving the workflow canvas. This capability allows workflows to easily store customer data, track workflow results, or maintain comprehensive automation logs, all internally. The best part? This feature simplifies workflow management significantly, reducing reliance on external databases for simple data storage tasks. These advanced features unlock powerful, real-world automation possibilities for businesses and creators. Use AI agents and chat controls to build fully automated customer support workflows that can handle complex inquiries and clarifications gracefully, 24/7. Implement AI-powered marketing and lead generation systems that dynamically adjust messaging, qualify leads using agents, and log every interaction in the internal data table. Build automated data management systems that collect, analyze, and store business metrics or operational logs, simplifying reporting and auditing. The automation landscape is constantly evolving, and one platform is leading the charge in integrating the latest AI capabilities. Users are switching to n8n because of its unparalleled flexibility, deep AI integrations, and advanced workflow capabilities that traditional automation tools simply can't match. n8n continues to evolve rapidly, embedding state-of-the-art AI technology to ensure you always have the most intelligent and capable automation at your fingertips. Welcome to the conclusion of our deep dive into AI automation. We've seen incredible potential, and today, we're looking forward. Let's quickly recap the powerful AI automation features we've explored throughout this video. We covered intelligent data extraction, automated content generation, and sophisticated decision-making processes integrated directly into your workflows. These features aren't just incremental improvements. They offer dramatic boosts in efficiency and processing power, changing how quickly you can move from data to action. So where do platforms like n8n fit into this exciting future? n8n serves as the flexible, open-source backbone, enabling you to connect these powerful AI services with all your existing tools and data streams. The true innovation lies in combining the lightning-fast intelligence of AI with essential human oversight, ensuring precision and strategic control over complex automation tasks. This shift is fundamentally reshaping the future of work. We're moving towards a world where automated tasks are more intelligent, freeing up human talent to focus on creativity, strategy, and complex problem-solving. Visualize streamlined workflow diagrams and sleek AI animations, showing data moving seamlessly from one intelligent system to the next. The best way to prepare for this future is to start exploring. We highly encourage you to try out AI automation tools like n8n for yourself. Experiment with the possibilities and build your own intelligent workflows. Automation technology is evolving fast. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't stop refining your skills in this dynamic field. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap the major impact of these n8n updates. With human in the loop, your AI processes gain safety checks. With the chat node improvements, you get better conversational control. These features signal n8n's commitment to building the next generation of smart, reliable automation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on the cutting edge of AI and automation. Thank you for watching. The future of automation is here, and you are ready to build it. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. It helps me to make better content. Stay safe.